Good morning, student. Student, how many alphabets in English language?
There are 26 alphabets in English language.
Very good. Now from these alphabets, there are 5 vowels. Just check out. Repeat after me. A,
A,
E,
E,
I,
I,
O,
O,
U.
U.
These 5 alphabets are called vowels. Okay. And all the other remaining letters, these are called consonants. There are 21 consonants. Okay, student? Student, today we are going to learn our next chapter, the articles a and the. Okay? We learn from this lesson when we use a article, an article and the article. Okay? Just see first more information about a article. We use the article a before singular words that start with a consonant sound. We learned before how many consonants are there? 21 consonants are there. Okay. Just read first examples.
A pencil.
Hmm?
A giraffe.
Yes.
A river.
A river. We use a article before consonant. Okay. Now just see about an article. We use the article an before singular words that start with a vowel sound. We know before how many vowels are there? 5 vowels. Okay, tell me the names of these vowels.
A, E, I, O and U.
Yes, when we start the word from vowels, before we use article an. Okay, which article we use there?
An.
Article an. Read these given examples.
An apple.
Yes.
An orange.
Okay.
An umpire.
An umpire. Okay. So we use an before vowel sound and we use a article before consonant sound. Okay, student. Now just see here. We also use the article an before singular words that start with an H that is silent. Okay, some words are silent. So when we say the word R's, then we use an R. Honest. Okay, honest. H is silent here. At that time we use an article. Okay, students. Now just see here exercise A. Write a or an in the blanks. Okay, we have to choose where we use a and where we use an. Now when we use a article before the consonant and we use an article before the vowels. Tell me the vowels.
A, E, I, O and U.
Yes, remember these rules. So it is easy to solve this exercise. Okay, read the first one.
O,
Horse. Okay. Next.
O, yak.
Yak. All these words are consonant. Yak. First word Y, H. These words are consonant. So we use here A. And see here.
And
Honor. H is silent here. So before honor we use an honor.
And
Uncle. Why we use here an? Because the word start from vowels. Uncle. U is comes in vowels. So before vowels letter sound we use an. Just see.
An
Eagle.
and old
Shoe. And igloo.
and
And ox. Okay, before the consonant sound we use an. Okay, now this is remaining exercise for you. Okay, complete this homework. Now just see next page. The article the. Okay, when we use article the, it is given here. Just see here. We use the article the when we are speaking about a particular person, place, animal or thing. When we speaking about a particular person, okay, at that time we use the broken window. We are talking about broken window. We are not talking about the common window. Which window is broken, we speak about that windows. That's why we use here the country I visited, the specific country I visited, so we use here the story of the rabbits, the story, the specific story is here. Okay, we use the article a or and when we speak about something for the first time. When we speak about it again, we use the. Okay, student. A little bird flew to a tree. A little bird. Okay. We speak about something for the first time. That time we use a. The little bird was wet. Now at that time we speak about the specific bird. So we use here the. The tree had no leaves on it. The specific tree. We speak about the specific tree. That's why we use here the. Okay, student? The sun, the moon, only one. Okay? There is no another things same to the first one. At that time we use the article. Now just see exercise B. Write A and the in the blanks, then read the aloud. Just see here. Once there was a farmer. First time we talk about it. A farmer. He had a large field. Late one evening he saw an old wolf in one corner of the field. We use an here because old. The first letter from old is O letter. It's a consonant. It's a vowels. Okay. The farmer. Now we use here the capital T because the word start from begin with the capital letter. The farmer was worried. What was he to do? Okay. This is a story. Small story. Okay. The picture is given here and we have to write down complete the sentence. Now just see here. Jill was a little girl of 7. One day she saw a tiny kitten in the garden outside her house. The kitten was shivering. Jill took the kitten into the house. Okay, remember all these things. There is a house near my building. It belonged to an officer who is retired. None of us like to pass by the house. If we see the officer in the garden, we feel very nervous. Okay, student. So, first of all, you all learn all these articles a and the, and then complete all these given work. Okay, we use a. When we use a, article a before singular words that start with a consonant sound. Okay, at that time we use a. We use an before singular words that start with a vowel sound. A, E, I, O, U. Before that vowels we use an. Some exceptional cases are there. For example, silent word. For example, an hour, an honest person. We use an here. And we use the article when we are speaking about a particular person, place, animal or things. When we speak about something for the first time, at that time we use the specific thing. Okay, learn all these rules, student, and complete your grammar book. Thank you.